because a lot of people is gonna be using Tello, bring it to the swimming pool and everything else. So what to expect from this guy, now we're gonna see how this perform on the water. We're gonna see exactly what's gonna do. We're gonna see what you should do, the most important thing that you should do if you fly your Tello and at the swimming pool. Okay, so here you go. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and fly Tello and see what we can do, see what we expect from this guy. All right, now you can see the bottom position sensing is pretty much is changing course, so it means it cannot read the ground. So you guys know this guy, he reads by the ground. He has that there's like a sensor in here, and it's also a bottom position sensor. And the reason why I'm saying that, because see, right now you have it here, right? And next thing you know, you're gonna see a ripple, and that's the reason why your Tello is drifting. One more time, we're gonna go ahead and check it, so you guys will understand how this guy really performed. You can see, you see that? But as soon as it hit the solid ground, it stays in one area. See that? It's still drifting. All right, flying this on 8 feet is still drifting. Okay, because it's not a solid ground. So that means you gotta be constantly using your throttles, or you can actually, you know, when it goes on the edge, you don't freak out. So as soon as this guy goes over here, it's gonna stop over there, you see, or it might come back to me depending on the ripple, the way it's moving the object. See, now you can see it and it's gonna stop. You see that? Not touching the throttle or transmitter. One more time, what to expect. It's moving and it's gonna stop. What happened if you turn off your phone or you lost connection while you're in the swimming pool? Okay, just letting you know, all DJI drones, Spark, Mavic to Mavic Air, maybe to Phantom 4, you see it'll be here. It's not gonna land right away. You have to force it to land. You see that? It has to be forced to be land. All right, we can do one more time. So, or you can also have shows here. You can also choose if you want to land it in your hand, or you just want to hand it directly in your hand, in my hand. So it's gonna land in my hand. All right, now you guys see it. Okay, so what's gonna happen? All right, this what exactly is a good so I'm gonna go ahead and fly it over here. See, I can't even do it. So if you do turn up your transmitter or you lost connection, okay, here, you see that? It's not gonna land in the water. Okay, so now you can see I'm gonna reconnect. If you reconnect back to Tello, don't freak out. It's just gonna go low, but it's gonna stay about to here. So my phone is off. Now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it back on. All right, it's coming on. So you can see it just hover there. All right, and most likely it's gonna move around because of the ripples. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and check it out, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what's gonna happen. You see, it's gonna go low. You see that? So it's not gonna hit the water because it's made that way. See, now I can go back reconnect to my phone. It's gonna find the clearance that is the ripples out of. You see? So now as soon as I got that, then I'm gonna go ahead, get back to Tello. Okay, give me just a second. It's really, really sunny, guys. So I'm gonna go back to connection. Okay. All right, I went back to Tello, and then now what do you expect from Tello? I got it connected. All right, see? And then I can go ahead and fly again. All right. So it's not gonna land, and it's telling you here if you want to land, you know, you can also turn that off. You see that is the wind is blowing it, it's not really leveling, so you got that going. But can you land in the water? You probably can. So let's go ahead. All right, you want to see if this thing can land in the water? We're gonna go ahead and see. I'm gonna have it about to here, okay, so I can catch it. Okay. See, it's not letting me. But if you do, you can still press down the throttle, or you can press down. Let's see if we can just go ahead and press land. Yes, it will land in the water if you forced it to. So just letting you know, okay? And if you have a low battery, if you have 0 battery, it's gonna go in the water, okay? So the best way to fly your Tello is, if you are in a swimming pool, or if you're at the beach or in the water, at least 40%. Lower than that, turn it off. Charge your Tello or get yourself another battery. Don't risk your $100 drone go into the water, okay? Most of the time when you're flying a drone in the water, you will lose it. But if you get this technique, what I just showed you guys, this will help you. Because I know a lot of people gonna use this Tello in the swimming pool. A lot of people gonna bring this to the beach, and you always want to have prop guards. The reason why is that it's easier to catch, guys. You don't want to go ahead and risk yourself to catch. All right, you can see here you go again. So it's always easy to catch Tello if you have prop guards on. I really recommend it, so you don't have to like dodge your your fingers to the propellers or anything. But if you do, you just hold it like this, take your time, don't be nervous, see? And then after that, go beside it, just hold on to it, just wait, just be patient. And then if you do, you can just grab it like this. And then we're gonna do one more time. All right, important. The reason why I'm saying this, because it's different way of flying if you're in the water, man. You know, you're not in the land anymore. It's easier to pick up stuff if you're in the grass or you're in the sand or anything else. But now you're in the water, sometimes you could be in the middle of the, you know what I'm talking about. So you don't want to go that far and try to struggle to catch this guy. So like again, I'm not touching the transmitter this time. You see, hold it, grab it, and it will shut off. All right,